Hello friends, welcome to Russian Icebreakers channel. I'm Seva and this is the continuation of Russian plural nouns video. If you haven't watched the first part, please find it in the description. In this video we're gonna talk about exceptions to the rules. And if you're interested, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and leave your comments. And keep watching! Now that you know the general rules for forming the plural nouns in Russian, let's talk about some exceptions. Generally speaking, there are about 4 groups of exceptions and we're gonna break them down in this video. The first group is masculine nouns which has a at the end of the plural form. For example, dom – дома, паспорт – паспорта, директор – директора, профессор – профессора, доктор – доктора, лес – леса, город – города, повар – повара. Now the second group. These words end with a soft sign and ya at the end of the plural form. Some examples are друг – друзья, муж – мужья, дерево – деревья, стул – стулья, лист – листья, брат – братья. Now the third group. In this group there are just a few nouns and they look like feminine nouns, but they are neuter in fact. Some examples are время – времена, имя – имена. Now the fourth group. In this group the plural form is a totally different word. And these two examples are similar to English. Ребенок – дети, человек – люди. Now some nouns in Russian do not have the singular form. For example, деньги, часы, штаны, джинсы, очки. Now there are also some nouns in Russian which, on the contrary, either do not have the plural form or it's used but very rarely and in literary contexts. Some examples are любовь, молоко, гречка, мука, etc. And finally, there are some nouns in Russian which have the same singular and plural form. Some examples are pianino, or more formally fortepiano, taxi, or пальто, and some other words. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram, and leave your comments down below. Until next time, пока-пока!